Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to cover the geometrical constructions of class 9th. Okay, construct an angle of 90 degrees. So here the first step, draw a line segment or a ray of any length. Here I took 7 centimeters guys. Okay, so it is of any length you can take, but as of now I took 7 centimeters. Okay, now next step, students, take more than of ray AB. Okay, draw a curve which should meet the line segment, or ray. Okay, whatever the radius you have taken, which, so this ray is touching at this point, right? So keep it as x. Okay, again with center x, it's of same radius, draw an arc. Whatever length you have taken, same radius, same length, with center x, draw an arc. Okay, now keep it as y. Okay students, now again with center y, draw one more arc, that is keep it as z. Okay students, now take a ruler and join this line A to A and also A to Z. Okay, this angle will be, students, 60 degrees. This also will be 60 degrees, but we need to find 90 degrees, right? So here what radius we have taken, okay, same radius with center y, draw an arc. Okay, again with center z, cut an arc. Okay, now join this line, mark it as W, this point. Okay, therefore this angle WAB will be 90 degrees guys. Therefore WAB is 90 degrees. Okay, because this line is called the bisector, which is dividing into two equal halves. That is, this angle will be 30, this angle also will be 30. Okay, 30 plus 60, total 90. Okay students, okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.